Hi, everybody. Dr. Hopewell and Dr. Linn here. We wanted to update you with a few things for our course and let you know that we're going to be trying to do some regular video updates for you, kind of like a video blog or a vlog, and give you an opportunity to hear from us just to kind of guide you through this semester. And the reason is that this semester is different than last semester. In the sense that you had a lot of work, that you were plowing through last semester. This semester, you're a little more on your own, okay? So these videos will kind of provide an opportunity to update you about what's going on, keep you moving. But we wanted to stress, first of all, that this semester is about you and your study. I know if last semester it probably felt like all you did was, chase down deadlines and work on papers and write and write and read and write and then you have your coaching sessions with us and we tell you, you need to fix this or do that. But this semester is really about you. It's about you conducting your study. And so we have a few preliminary modules that will get you started on that. And then it's going to be off to the races. But you've got to be able to take a stake in this for yourself. There's 20 of you and one of us. Well, there's 40 of you and two of us, but you get the point. And we can't getting down to the detail level and the scheduling of everything with each one of you is going to be really difficult for us. You're the researcher. So you need to be the one to take that on, okay? So to begin with, we had in my class, I know we had a little hiccup with some confusion on Module 1 and 2. But in Module 1 and 2, we're really just tying up loose ends from the proposal from last semester, okay? So in Module 1, you needed to, basically, you didn't actually turn anything in, or you didn't need to actually turn anything in, but you did have to do some work, okay? And that's all in this one document that is your proposal. So if you don't have one document with everything together, step one is to get that all together. Step two, make corrections, okay? Make some corrections that we may have suggested to you. And then step three, you wanted to start working on those data collection instruments. So if you have not gotten that in order yet, that's Module 1. Module 2, you're working on the data analysis section. Now that you know what your data collection is going to be, how are you going to analyze that? What are you going to do? And there's some readings and things that'll go along with that. Okay? Dr. Linn.
Okay, the next thing that we want you to know about is the IRB process. Behind the scenes, while you're working on shaping up your proposal, Dr. Hopewell and I have been coordinating with the IRB process, submitting your forms, and it takes a little time for them to get through 40 sets of determination forms, and in some cases applications for those who wanted to publish. So just know that we're in the process. The critical thing is that you don't do anything in your study at all until you get written approval from us and written statement that says, yes, your IRB approved. That includes not talking to parents, not talking to your students about what you might be doing this semester. I know that's hard as a teacher because you like to keep everybody informed, but right now, lips are sealed. Wait until we get that IRB blessing.
All right. You'll notice from the syllabus, and again, I stress the syllabus schedule is the place that you want to go print that out, put it on your wall, put it behind, your bathroom mirror, whatever. But that schedule is going to keep you on track. There's going to be several checkpoints along the way. And those checkpoints don't mean that you necessarily have to have everything done. So checkpoint 1 is the consent and assent. So you do need to have that done. But checkpoint 2 is data collection sample. It's just a sample. We want to know that you're doing it, that you're moving along, that you're getting things done, okay? We don't have any mandatory coaching sessions this semester like we did last semester, but those coaching sessions are still available. Just shoot us an email, shoot us however you want to get a hold of us, Google Plus, whatever. Let us know that you need some help, and we'll try and schedule that time to sit down and work through those things. But you've got to start doing some work before we can help you start working on things, if that makes sense. So those are the checkpoints, and that's basically how the rest of the semester will be scheduled, is to work through those checkpoints to help you start moving through your paper.
Okay, the one thing I'd like to add about the checkpoints is the due dates. We've set the due dates in the Dropbox based on what's a good pace, to try to get you in a good place by the end of the semester. However, some of you are going to be starting your studies at different points in times based on when we get IRB approval, based on when you had planned it to fit into your academic year with your students. And so if don't stress out if there's a date set and it's not working into your study, just communicate with your professor, let us know, and we'll negotiate a time frame that'll really fit with your study. The main thing we want you to do is have a successful study, that you'll get some great findings, which leads to where we're headed towards the end of the semester. And that is you're going to synthesize those findings and think about, so what did I learn? What am I going to do differently in my classroom? And then who else needs to know about this in accordance with those IRB standards? So that's the short view of what we've got going. And this semester will post a video for each module. And if you're wanting to know something that we're not telling you, you know how to get a hold of us through our emails. So good luck and enjoy the semester. You worked hard to get to this point.
All right. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.